Hey, this is Chase with SLE. We're located in Antioch, Tennessee, 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee. You can call us at 615-641-7720, or you can look us up online at sleequipment.com. Today we're looking at our Toro Titan HD 2000 series. And the Titan HDs, they come in a 1500, a 2000 series, and a 2500 series. This 2000 series is right there, right in the middle. This machine in particular has a 52-inch cutting deck. On this cutting deck, you have anti-scalp wheels on right in the middle, plus on your right-hand side of your deck. This particular machine we're looking at has the MyRide suspension system, so you're going to have that coil spring action right here, to where when you're on the machine, it's going to take a lot of that damage for you and make the ride really comfortable for you. It's about the only other machine that has those coil springs other than the Ferris. On your right hand side of your deck, you do have a step right here to get on and off. You have your cover for your spindles that also covers your belts and pulleys. Your spindles are greasable. This is a 7-gauge cutting deck as well. You have a cup holder with some storage right here. You have your fuel tank right here. You have your battery in the back right here. This particular machine has a Toro V-twin 24-horse engine to it. This is their commercial V-twin engine. Your air filters right here. Your dipsticks right here. Your oil filters right down there. And you have an oil release right down here. This particular machine is going to have a Hydro Gear 3100 transmission on it. It comes custom with a roll bar, a rollover protection kit. With your MyRides, your springs are adjustable. So you just undo them right there, and then you can move them back and forth wherever you want to go. Well, there's a zip tie right there, so we're not going to move this one at the moment. You have additional storage right here. It does have a spot where you can put a 12-volt light kit with the light switch to add lights to your machine. You got your choke right here, your throttle right there, your PTO, your hour meter, and your key. Your discharge chute is on the other side of your deck right here. You can also see that this is a floating deck with the chains. Your deck height adjustment is right here with your release and your kick pedal, foot assist. This Toro Titan HD is going to be compared to a MZ61, MZ54, MZ52 in the Husqvarnas. It's going to be compared to more of the Blackhawk HP and the Blackhawk and the Dixie Chopper, and more on the lines of like a RT Pro to RZ HD series in the Spartan. I have this machine and many more like I just discussed on my website at sleequipment.com. You can call a salesman at 615-641-7720. Thanks.